Alright, don't forget to feed your wiring up behind this protector. It's the same way as when you took it out. Now that we're placing in the new unit, it's just a reverse of the process. I got my unit, by the way. I got my new piece from Advanced Auto Parts. With taxes, it came up to $184 and some change. The part was by a company called NTP. Set the new part in place. All snug. Then the reverse process, put in your bolts and tighten it up. A lot less noise than the last one. I'm going to tighten these up.